gotta be honest with you, it's really an amateur move on your part. I'm not an amateur. Do we follow?
I thought you might enjoy that little clip. And the background, I was watching a TV show. Or listening to it. I kind of listen as I art. And the fact that it talked about being an amateur right when that happened. Yeah, I consider myself an amateur. So this is another one of my acrylic painty paper collage things. This time the prompt is a deer. Oh my gosh, this just looked so hard and overwhelming. But I think I figured it out. I am using painty paper that I already had. This brown I've had for a while. And that green I created with the last project, the flowers. And I don't know, that spilled cucky greenish colored paint. I'm sorry, I can't tell you what color that is. I should look at my bottles. But it goes really well as the background. So here it is again. You'll see. So I'm just wetting that, and I set it down to wet the back because it was curling, and forget that it was open. And started to shake it. And that's what created the big mess. But it worked great. Just a little blotting, a little cleaning up. Thank goodness it didn't land on the floor, on the carpet. I've already spilt black ink on the carpet. I might have a little bit of green drops down there too. I just won't tell anybody. So I'm going to collage all this green onto the background. And then we'll go from there. Alright, so all the green, I've used up all my green, and so I looked for something else in the papers that I already have. And I had this sort of grayish brown streaky. I used it for a tree in, I think it was the second one. The one that's titled Is It Spring Yet, I think. And figured we could have rocks or dirt or whatever at the bottom of this. And I think it works pretty well. Gotta get a little more glue out. Alright, so I got that on there, and now here's my funky looking deer. So I'll get him glued on, and then we're going to have to do some serious work to make this look like that picture you saw at the beginning that I was tracing. Okay, now to add a little bit of paint, maybe a lot of paint, to give this deer some dimension. So some final touches, put some highlights on the eyes. And that was quite a transformation, right? Like, I mean, it still looks like pieces of paper, but it looks better than it did when I started. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please leave me a comment, thumbs up. I appreciate you all watching, and have a great day.